Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to take you through on how to make an authentic, stretchy and sumptuous bambara nut, popularly known as oba, in an African Nigeria Igbo land, just in 5 minutes. If this is the kind of video that you love to watch, please stick around, grab your popcorn and enjoy this amazing video. So guys, I'll go ahead to transfer the bambara nut into a bowl for processing. After that, I'm going to go ahead to add in some salt. After that, I processed the pepper, washed it and set it aside. Then I'll go ahead to boil some water because we'll be needing hot water for this recipe. So guys, I will go ahead to pound my pepper using mortar and pestle. Yeah, this is what I will be using for now. You can as well use a blender for this, depending on your choice. After that, I'm going to go ahead to mix the bambara nut flour and the salt thoroughly. I'll go ahead to add in some palm oil and mix very well until it turns orange color. Keep on mixing it until you get exactly this color and consistency. After that, I will go in with some room temperature water. Then I will go in with some hot water and mix everything thoroughly. After that, I will transfer my hot water into a pot because we'll be needing a hot water to cook this bambara nuts. This time, I will keep on adding hot water till I get exactly the consistency that I need. You have to be very careful while doing this because you don't want your bambara nut to be watering. And after that, I'm going to transfer in my grinded pepper in the bambara nut and stir very well. Of course, I need the water from the pepper. Mix very well and of course add in some salt for taste if necessary. Of course, you just need few ingredients for this bambara nut recipe. You just need your salt, pepper and water. Only these for this recipe. You don't need any bouillon cube or any other ingredients, just these few that I mentioned. After that, transfer your bambara nut into a nylon and tie it very well to avoid penetration of water into it because you won't like your bambara nut to be soggy. Remember that before you start adding your bambara nut, make sure that the water is already boiling. Cover and allow the bambara nut to cook for some minutes. Keep on checking on it. Once your bambara nut is done, you will find out that the stick or the fork that you inserted in it will come out very neat. Then your bambara nut is ready, done and dusted. Turn off the flame and drain out the water from the bambara nut, then transfer into your plate. And voila, your authentic, stretchy and sumptuous bambara nut is ready just in 5 minutes. Guys, is this not amazing? You can enjoy your bambara nut with wine, pap, custard, oatmeal, name it all. So guys, this is how we achieved this stretchy, authentic and sumptuous bambara nut Please guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Turn on your post notification to get notified anytime I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.